Terrorism was a mono. So video in a query neketabo video Ijele Imakansi Kujira na Bagale na Kembe more than 1 week on a Bagale na nearby. But then one disturbing video by post to issue case be Odumeje na village. Amara my bojale ha na issue case be Odumeje. Now you know issue case be Odumeje ka so no so be Odumeje ka insecurity maybe in that village bata. So kina chigwam no so na ka Odumeje yenwe. So if the whole village are they go condemned by insecurity, so you may expect Odumeje can already or Kobia Bulisia will lower government to Kwasalelo. So this video is in form of harassment in a harass Odumeje. And we said don't want to pay attention at the video. Mbonu something like a bomb or this their rocket launcher down at that place. So now in actually Odumeje also so soon one ebe again and damn no there kekwa no na agba egbe na that place to the extent that your cameraman chole egbe also isi anya kwulu nya jide nkanya me nke ọzọ. So now in achi gwam no so now so soon one no kekwa ndị na akwa ngwongwo ma that place go again ebe wono so soon no. So you could me last time that na ndị ami so contribute n'ihe me insecurity na those villages even ebe shift we blame sin makina support na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na ka your village dey also build Odumeje that place but also build Odumeje now. So you know that in the form of again harassing the man. You are harassing Odumeje and you don't have right to just showcase about Odumeje like that in the form of when actually send the message. This is a form of sarcasm. It's uncalled for. Odumeje decided to pick it up with you. Also, you have also got to be called below here or Basaroge. Also, you have to be called below here. Basarona couldn't see me video. BP square na village in Banka. It's not so na hakahamwe na that location now. Ujejine gusu no their grandfather. They go say be ni ha iye ni mpaha na beha. Imagine ni mpaha na beha now. Mpaha the father must be buried in his father's compound. Back in Ilia. Una say uno be mpaha de eba ewe ni mpaha eba na ka the place the son kept unu go harass what the boys then. Ina chigwam na nka ona ha na December kita no na ka ha no ne we made that Christmas of last year. So let's learn not to stop harassing people up and down. And then offering a job may he be taking a easy CD poor and stop bullying people all around. And then the full video.
My people, this is the front of Odumeje's house. You can see today 24th of February 2026 and the front of Odumeje's house. See what they are using. See where they are making their useless IEDs. Odumeje's house is their IED depot. See it here. This side of them there. See Odumeje's house. They've stolen most of this things. See them. I'm going on. I don't want to get the personnel. I don't want to video the personnel. See it? Criminals. You can see your house. Odumeje, see your house in the village and it's shaking. This building will definitely go down because they've destroyed so many things. Imagine. See, blood holes everywhere. That's the valley down there. You see the valley. We'll check it soon and very soon. See the valley. Imagine. See how deep it is. But this side there, good maybe that they pump them. They decide they like level anything that moves there. Imagine Palm Grove. See the palm grove. You know how much these palm trees would have fetched, and criminals came here and decided to destroy the full community. Let me show you people. See, even the down is worse than the up. Odumeje, see, Odumeje, remember your door, your Chinese door. Remember your door. Odumeje, this is the work of the IPOB BSN people you are supporting, and this house is literally shaking as I'm here. The wobble, it's wobbling. See the utobos, see what they are even cooking inside here. No, let them know what they cook for here. See it here. As usual, you know they had them to run. This is Odumeje's father's house. Look at it. When this one will go down too. See how they destroyed the bath. Odumeje, see your property, Odumeje. Odumeje, see your house. Now at the back, now you go see where then they bury people. The back of this place now is their burial ground. Dead body way full here. Odumeje, and you are still supporting them. See your bath now. No bathroom. Odumeje, no bathroom. Akwa jacuzzi denka. Tomorrow we'll go and support evil and tell me why it will not get to your home. So, Chukwu Emeka Hanemere Odumeje. Actually, you go to the Bible. The wages of sin is death. This is the reward for your sin and your iniquity. This is nothing personal. But I just want you to know that you just received the reward for all the evil you've been supporting in the name of Biafran. You will not lie about your knowledge of what these people are doing. You know how much you've paid them over this house. Still, they've destroyed it. All the whole foundations, all the joints there, they are shaking. So the building is about to go down. Even as I am on it now. No, say yes. Even as I am on it now, it's shaking. There is the structural integrity of this building has been compromised. After all your support, did you save your house? No. What's not Africa? Did he save your house? No. Stand there, come in. Did he save your house? No. Did he save you? No. You did not still bury your parents. The same thing you are learning from is what has happened. I don't want to show back of this way because there are a few personnel here. But look at the watch. This is just the best of them all. This whole is just the best of them all. You are going to. I wish anyone will make a real video of this and send to you so you see the reward for the evil you've been supporting in your own community. In your own community, you won't deny what you've paid them, all the money you've given them, and how much have you paid for your security. Bring it to the one who to again. How much have you given to your own people for the security? All these works. Look at how men left everything they will be doing just to come and save your community. You are on air supporting Nnamdi Kanu because you are looking for all these his political benefactors to also patronize you. And also the people and the